Hi, welcome to Geek Do-It-Yourself Mechanic. This short video is going to talk about the website. Why was it created? What will I use it for? So we'll start at the top. You got the home page, which is this page. You have the knowledge area that contains information to allow you to gain more knowledge in automobiles. Resources. It contains other links and information to help you along your way. YouTube, my YouTube channel, where this video is located, and a little information about me so you can understand my angle and viewpoints when I talk about cars. Let's go back to the home page. So we start off and I talk about the spectrum of viewers and mechanics out there, from just a purely curious who really don't want to get their hands dirty, to some maybe people who want to make sure they're not being ripped off at their local shop, to maybe someone who wants to obtain an ASC certification. Disclaimer, we all have to go through this and say this, that the information on here and that is shared works for me. I hope it works for you. If it doesn't work for you, I'm sorry, but I'm not responsible. So please evaluate all input and information in your certain circumstance. Make sure it works for you. The main goal of all this content is we don't want you to be a hacker. We don't want you to be a parts changer. Imagine you have a large computer system and you just go in and start making changes. You know you're going to just cause ripples of problems all the way through your system. Well, a car is the same way. It's really made up of a lot of subsystems and components. And if you just start changing things out, you can cause issues, introduce new issues. You want to be very wise. You want to figure out the exact issue, work on that exact issue, get in, get out. When you accomplish that, you'll see what I'm saying. It is such a great feeling of accomplishment. Okay, let's go through the resource portal first. So these are links that I have found to be very useful for me. MIG welding, for example, fixing a fender, doing body work, fixing a part, let's say. Engineering Explained. One of my favorite videos there, this is a YouTube channel, is what's the difference between horsepower and torque? Fluke User's Manual. You may not own a Fluke 98, which is a scope meter. I do. But in this manual, there's some great tests. And in addition, they explain, let's say, what the proper curve should be for ignition, a knock sensor, just great information. And it's free. eBook EE. You can get actual textbooks. They may not be up to date, but you can get textbooks, maybe a couple 3 years old. Awesome. $250 textbook for free. That's just an example of why these resources are here. And this will grow as I obtain more experience out there, and perhaps some of your suggestions will land on this page. Let's go to the knowledge page. This page is where I kept the resources I used to learn about auto mechanics, the different areas, from electronics to how does the four-stroke motor work, what is OBD2, what is hydraulics, what are the concepts, thermodynamics, things like that. And as this content gets fleshed out, links will be added. Right now, electronics is one that I'm working on. And it contains several books I found very helpful in learning electronics. And I have created a couple pages. I will go to one here. One of the things that helped me become much more proficient when working in car electronics, of course, working with Scanner Danner, well, watching his videos. I wish I could work with him. Awesome guy, incredible knowledge, incredible enthusiasm to teach. Just a great person. I wish he could work on my cars. Is that I needed to touch a circuit, and that's very difficult. So I researched and I found this open source Java applet analog circuit simulator, and it's incredible. I'm going to use this to demonstrate some concepts that are from the textbooks and Scanner Danner leverages constantly. You can see one right here. You know, it allows you to see a switch, ground side switch, power side switch here. That's an example. That's for future. But this right here allowed me to test different concepts, understand things. This section will be used for future presentations and videos. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope to get positive feedback. My goal is to give, and I hope people help me grow in my experience, and I look forward to giving you future videos. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the information helpful.